Hello everyone, welcome back to NS English Academy. This is Sonia. In today's short video, I'm going to discuss R.W. Emerson, the father of Transcendentalism movement. We know him and studied him in American literature. Along with his biography, I'm going to discuss brief about his important essay Nature, which published in the year 1836. So stay tuned with me, okay? Let's start. Basically, R.W. Emerson was born in the year 1803 in Boston and from a family of ministers. His father passed away when he was just 8, leaving his mother to raise him and his siblings. If I talk about his education, Emerson attended Harvard College and later studied at Harvard Divinity School, where he prepared himself to follow in his family's tradition of ministry. Right? Let's discuss brief about career shift of R.W. Emerson. So if I talk about Emerson, he resigned in 1832 due to personal doubts. जो ministry में इन्होंने work किया था initially of his career, he resigned from there just because of differing in his views. वहाँ पे इनके जो views थे वो match नहीं कर रहे थे. That's the reason he resigned from there in the year 1832. Please make a note of it, because important fact for exam point of view. Let's discuss philosophical ideas of R.W. Emerson. He became a leader of Transcendentalism, a movement जो emphasize करता है institution of self-reliance, spiritual value of nature and the connection between all living beings. Let's discuss brief about his essay Nature, which published in the year 1836. Most important है, and of course consider a foundational work of the Transcendentalist movement. This question also have been asked in UGC NET previous papers, so please make a note of it, which exploring the relationship between humans and the natural world. This particular essay in which he talks about and explore कर रहे हैं relationship को कहाँ पर humans and natural world में, presenting nature as a source of spiritual insight and personal growth. जो नेचर को सोर्स की तरह देखते हैं एज स्पिरिचुअल इंसाइट एंड पर्सनल ग्रोथ. लेट्स डिस्कस मेजर पॉइंट्स ही डिस्कस इन दिस पर्टिकुलर essay. First, he talk about nature as divine and symbolic, unity of human and nature. Then he talks about nature as a source of inspiration, because according to R.W. Emerson, inspiration and ideas we came in our mind comes from nature first. And he discussed in this essay 4 uses of nature. First, we have commodity,